Manage your field for maximum yield with Crop IQ. Crop IQ is designed to help growers manage crop protection and fertilizer application records more effectively with the ability to run custom reports, view farm inventory, receive REI and PHI notifications all in real time. With Crop IQ and Highland Hub, your farming operation can be managed in one convenient and easy adaptable system. In Crop IQ, you can manage those crop protection and fertilizer application records that include your date, live weather, product names, labels, SDS sheets, farm locations, and more. You also have complete visibility on your spray programs with this. With our inventory piece, you can keep a record of farm inventory in real time and be equipped to make quick purchasing decisions 365 days a year. You can assign cost to all your products so you can run reports at any time and have full transparency on what your operation is spending on those crop protection materials. Users can run custom reports that export specific products, farms, date ranges, active ingredients, and more. These are useful to be able to send for your product rebates or any other custom report that you would need to export. You are able to receive those instant REI and PHI notifications that allow users to see complete visibility of when you have an active REI and PHI on a farm. This allows those employees not to enter or harvest a field with that active REI and PHI. Highland users receive access to a chemical database in Crop IQ that is easily searchable by pest, active ingredient, and disease. This again allows you to make quick decisions when selecting a crop protection material. Crop IQ integrates with all other pieces of Highland Hub.